we'll explain the resolution of forces. So assume we have this force, and say it is F. The magnitude of the force is 100 kilonewton, and this force makes an angle theta equal to 30 degrees with the horizontal. Now the task is to resolve this force into its x component and y component. So its x component will be this one, fx, and its y component will be this area, which is fy. Now we have to keep in mind also, we will not forget the angle theta, because this is also 30 degrees. The values for fx and fy, they should not be greater than the value of the force itself, because these are the, when you put these two components together, fy and fx, they will make f. But I'm going to tell you how much is the value of fx at this point. You don't need to go into further details, but we'll do these at a later stage. This will be equal to 86.6 kilonewton, and the fy value will be equal to 50 kilonewton. This is very important to understand, because if you will do the resolution for these two components, in no case these values should be greater than f, which is 100. And same thing is if you're going to demonstrate for the rest of the coordinates, we can also say we have a force here, which is, let's say this is we call it F2, and say this is another force in this direction, and it goes towards the point, and we could have this force also maybe going away from the center point. Let's call this F3, and this is F4. So if we demonstrate how we analyze or resolve these forces into their components, because the direction is important, this is what I would like to show you. So this would be the x component for F2, and you might want to call this F2x, and the y component of this will be in this direction, and this is F2y. For the F3, you see the direction of the x component will be here. This is F3x, and the y component will be upwards, which is F3y. And same thing for F4. For F4, the x component will be towards east, that is F4x, and the y component for F4 will be downwards, that is called F4y. Of course, we don't have to forget the angle, because this is something we did previously, and a trick. Whatever this angle is, and assuming this angle is theta 1, this is theta 1 too. If this is theta 2, then this will be theta 2, and if this is theta 4, this is equal to theta 4. And the reason why I'm mentioning these, because we'll always calculate the fx and fy based on the angle with the x-axis, and this is the x-axis.